Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A sunroof can either be manually operated or motorized with an electric motor. If your car was manufactured without a sunroof, it may still be possible to have one installed at a later time. Having a sunroof installed aftermarket is an intricate procedure that should only be attempted by a professional. 13 May 2016.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The factory moonroof or sunroof. The differences have become vaguer over time, but a moonroof is a tinted glass that can be popped open, and a sunroof is a solid panel that slides all the way open. Will make the car marginally more valuable at trade-in or resale. 21 July 2018.
Take our lead.
Definitely worth the extra money, in my opinion. In all likelihood, if any of my future cars are not a convertible, it will have a moonroof. When I'm in cars without a moonroof, even if it's not open, I almost feel claustrophobic. Sunroof is a metal opening, which is rare these days.
Let's help you make your mark.
A moonroof is considered a type of sunroof, says Carfax. But a moonroof usually has a tinted glass panel, much like an extra window, on top of the car. Unlike a traditional sunroof, moonroofs are not designed to be removed from the vehicle, although they usually slide or tilt open, reports U.S. News.
Take our lead.
Aftermarket sunroofs are dangerous for your safety, and any alteration made to it will affect the rigidity and integrity of the car. So when you simply cut a portion of the car's roof to fit the glass panel, you are not only playing with your safety but everyone who will be traveling with you. 12 May 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
About 60 to 90 minutes. How long does the replacement sunroof installation take? With a standard installation, common with single-panel sliding sunroofs, it will generally take about 60 to 90 minutes. If there is excessive glass cleanup, the installation may take longer.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The primary advantage of having a sunroof is that it lets in more natural light than what the regular glass area would provide. Sunroofs always come with a sunblind and have a tint to prevent the cabin from heating up too much. They allow more natural light into the cabin and make the cabin feel larger. 1 October 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.